Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Irish. For today's video, I'm going to share to you our experience going to Wieliczka Salt Mine here in Krakow, Poland. And I'm going to share to you guys the history of the From Neolithic times, sodium chloride or table salt was produced there from the upwelling brine. The Wieliczka salt mine, excavated from the 13th centuries, produced table salt continuously until 1996 as one of the world's oldest operating salt mines. Throughout its history, the Royal Salt Mine was operated by the Zupi Krakowski or Krakow Salt Mines Company. Due to the failing salt prices and mine flooding, commercial salt mining was discontinued in 1996. The Wieliczka Salt Mine reaches a depth of 327 meters or 1,073 feet and extends via horizontal passage and chambers for over 287 kilometers. The rock salt is naturally or varying shades of gray, resembling unpolished granite rather than the white crystalline substance that might be expected. Since the 13th centuries, brine welling up to the surface has been collected and processed for its sodium chloride. It is period wells began to sink and the first shafts to be dug to extract the rock salt from the late 13th centuries to the early 14th centuries. The salt work castle was built. Wieliczka is now home to the Krakow Salt Works Museum. King Casimir III the Great contributed greatly to the development of Wieliczka Salt Mine, granting it many privileges and taking the miners under his care. In 1363, he founded a hospital near the salt mine. It is said that he turned a Poland of wood into a Poland of stone due to the great amount of wood from neighboring forests used as scaffolding and supports. The mine features an underground lake exhibits on the history of salt mining and a 3.5-kilometer visitor route, less than 2% of the mine passage total length, including stages curved from the rock salt and various times. In 1978, the Wieliczka Salt Mine was placed on the original UNESCO list of World Heritage Site. The mine was on the list of World Heritage Endangered from 1989 to 1998. This was due to the threat of serious damage being done to the sculptures from humidity caused by artificial ventilation introduced in the late 19th century.
So far are irregular shapes because there is a
The mine is one of Poland's official national historic monuments, as designated in the first round, 16 of September 1994. Its listing is maintained by the National Heritage Board of Poland. In 2010, it was successfully proposed that the nearby historic Bochina Salt Mine, or Poland's oldest salt mine, be added to the list of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The two sister salt mines now appear together in the UNESCO list of World Heritage Site as the Wieliczka and Bochnia Royal Salt Mine. In 2013, the UNESCO World Heritage Site was expanded by the addition of the Zopni Castle. St. Kinga's Chapel in Wieliczka Salt Mine is located 101 meters underground and is one of the biggest attractions in the entire mine. The chamber is about 12 meters high, 18 meters wide, and 54 meters long. The floor was curved in a uniform salt mass, and the ceiling is decorated with intricate salt crystal chandeliers. It is worth nothing that the decoration of the chamber were made over the course of nearly 7 decades. The altar was made by Joseph Markowski and is definitely the most important element of the chapel. Since 1994, the niche of the altar table holds the relics of Saint Kinga